welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Janice. So what's up guys? For today's vlog, I just want to share with you guys how to make banana fritters or saging pinaypay in my dialect. So it's basically we eat this for snacks. So if you like this video, just keep on watching and don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Let's begin! These are all the ingredients that we are going to use for today's vlog. So we do have here banana, 1 egg, baking powder, flour, sugar, and milk. So now let's start for the preparation. So at first we are going to beat the eggs. And then we can add the flour, milk, just beat nice. I'm adding little bit of salt, just a pinch of salt. Now we can add the baking powder. So now our butter is ready. So let's start the banana. Just peel the banana. And then you can slice it. Not full slice, just keep 1/4. Alright, so now let's continue. So just slice all. So now we are going to fry the banana. So first you need to dip it. And then we can fry. So it looks like this. Now make the pan hot and put oil. So when it's hot, now we can start to fry. So it looks like this. And then you can fry it. And then let it cook. Make sure both sides holding a golden brown, and then you can turn to other side. So while waiting the banana to cook, so you can take a plate, put some sugar. And then while the banana is cooked, we will do dusting. So make sure you will do dusting when it's still hot, so that the sugar will be stick to the banana. It's almost cooked. So now as you can see, it's already cooked. And then You can remove it from the oil and then dip down to the pepper towel. And then from the pepper towel, we can dip that to the sugar. Yes, so now it's okay. So just repeat the same procedure. So that's it guys for today's vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed. So if you have any suggestions, just comment down below. If you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for the next videos or the upcoming videos that I'm going to upload. So see you on my next vlog. Bye!